OBJFunKids. Hi, friends. Let's learn the days of the week. That's the first day. Monday is the first day of the week. The second day. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Next appeared Wednesday, twirling with purple sparkles. Here comes Thursday.
Thursday is the fourth day of the week.
A golden Friday shined like sunshine.
Almost the weekend.
A happy pink Saturday. Happy it's weekend. Finally, a warm red Sunday, peaceful and calm.
All 7 days.
You did amazing. Let's go through it again. Oh, look, it's Monday, the first day of the week. Monday means a fresh start, new chances to learn, play, and smile.
Tuesday is the second day. A great day to read, draw, or sing. What do you like to do on Tuesday?
Wednesday, or halfway through the week.
That means we're doing great. Keep going, friends. Thursday is full of fun. Yes, it's the perfect day to paint, color, or learn something new.
Friday is the 5th day. Yay! Almost the weekend. It's a happy day. We learn, laugh, and get ready for family fun. Saturday means no school. It's a day to rest, play, and spend time with the people we love. Sunday is the last day, a day to relax. A perfect day to thank God, rest, and get ready for a new week. Look, Zeal, all 7 days are here. Let's say them together, friends. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great job learning with us today. You're amazing. See you next time for more fun learning.
Thanks for watching.